Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of cooking robots with the Moulinex Companion XL, a device that promises to revolutionize the way you cook. Versatile, efficient, and designed to make your life easier, this multifunctional robot could very well become your best ally in the kitchen. Imagine a device that can handle everything, from chopping to cooking, and all for the whole family. With its multiple functions and clever accessories, it redefines culinary comfort. The link to this product and its accessories is available in the description. So, ready to discover everything it can do? Let's go! The Moulinex Companion XL impresses at first glance with its modern and sleek design. Available in black and white, it fits perfectly into any kitchen. Compact despite its large capacity, it takes up little space on the countertop while offering true versatility. Its sleek finish and clean lines give it a premium look that immediately catches the eye. A special mention goes to its intuitive control screen, which is easy to read and use, and its glass lid. This one allows you to monitor the cooking in real time, which is a real plus for curious cooks. The device is also designed for storage, with a secure box for its accessories, so you won't lose or damage any essential parts. It's a feature that combines aesthetics and practicality. The Moulinex Companion XL has plenty of reasons to win you over. With a power of 1500 watts and a 4.5-liter stainless steel bowl, it can cook for up to 10 people. Whether you have a big family or love to entertain, this device adapts to all situations. Equipped with 12 automatic programs in a manual mode, it allows total customization of recipes. You can adjust the speed, temperature, and cooking time according to your needs. With a temperature range from 30 to 150 degrees Celsius, this opens the door to a wide variety of preparations, from creamy soups to stews, as well as desserts and pasta. Thanks to its well-thought-out accessories, the Companion XL excels in culinary preparation. The chopper knife offers unmatched precision for slicing or chopping various ingredients. The whisk and the emulsifier are perfect for sauces and airy preparations, while the steam basket allows you to cook vegetables and fish to perfection. All of these accessories are dishwasher safe, making maintenance much easier. Additionally, the connected app offers an enriching experience with step-by-step guided recipes. This digital support complements the included book of 300 recipes, inspiring you to push the boundaries of your culinary creativity, whether you're a beginner or an expert. In practice, the XL Companion excels in all culinary tasks, from preparation to cooking. It stands out for its ability to do everything with precision and ease. Whether it's for soups, stews, sauces, or desserts, it's there for you at every stage. The steam function is impressive, allowing simultaneous cooking on different levels. Prepare vegetables for purees while meats simmer below. This layered cooking saves time, perfect for balanced meals. An integrated scale could add convenience. Despite this, the device remains an exceptional tool. Small point of improvement, an integrated scale would have been a plus for even more practicality. However, this does not detract from the overall effectiveness of the device, which remains an exceptional tool. To get the most out of its capabilities, simply follow the recipes provided or let your imagination run wild. The Companion XL turns out to be a real kitchen whiz, always ready to simplify your preparations. Compared to its competitors like the Thermomix or the Magimix Cook Expert, the Companion XL stands out for its excellent value for money. It offers comparable or even better performance in some categories, while remaining more affordable. Its ability to cook for large gatherings is a notable advantage. Sure, its connected app, while convenient, does have some minor bugs at times, and maybe those have been fixed by now, but any technical issues are more than made up for by the durability, longevity, and guaranteed repairability of Moulinex products. A 10-year warranty on spare parts makes it a safe and lasting investment. In conclusion, the Moulinex Companion XL is a powerful, versatile, easy-to-use cooking robot. It is ideal for large families or cooking enthusiasts who want to save time while exploring new recipes. With it, say goodbye to chores and hello to creativity and the joy of cooking. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performing, and budget-friendly device, the Companion XL is an excellent choice. You can find the link to the product and accessories in the description. Every click purchased through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video if you found it helpful, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you, see you soon, bye-bye.